What up guys? We have a lot of tutorials online teaching you how to surf.
How to surf it, how to learn to surf.
Teach you how to surf. But today, Gota Dagua will teach you how to not surf. Stop with the violent localism. Nobody owns the ocean.
Always make sure you have a good surfing position on the board. Feet well spread, facing the same side, the knees supposed to be bent, arms wide open, looking all straight. Don't be a unicorn.
Always pay attention how you paddle. Deep and long moves are the best option for you to enjoy the waves.
Never take a wave if it's a risk for somebody. Always be aware from the people surfing around you.
Always respect your surf level. If you don't know how to surf, it's not a problem. Come to Gota Dagua, we will teach you how to surf. What's up?
That's right, we surfers love to party, but if you do, please, don't surf.
I forgot already.
Mas o que é que a gente tem a dizer?
Acabou de dizer, eu disse já não me lembrava e tu a gozar. Vai, bora lá, 3, 2, 1, bora. Tá bom o cabelo assim?
Tá ótimo, bebê, bora.
Tá bom o cabelo assim? Estás a filmar? Tá a gravar? O cabelo tá bom assim?
My looks nice.
Hey guys, I hope you like our... não, isto assim não fica bicho.
Guys, I hope that you enjoyed our last movie. Man. What up guys, I hope that you enjoyed our last movie.
Obviously we are not paid actors, we are just surf teachers and the founders of the company.
And we are just having fun doing all these videos, so enjoy Gota Dagua Surf Family and the next videos. Ei, eu meti o microfone.